Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Jabra Evolve2 75 noise cancelling headset. So just look at the box itself, it's pretty plain and simple, which is not really a bad thing. It just kind of gets straight to the point. It's a noise cancelling headset, so it does have ANC. This is the Microsoft certified version, which doesn't really mean much, to be honest. More information is going to be in the review video where I explain the difference between the UC version and the MS version, so almost identical. You can check out the link to the review in the video description. Continue back with the unboxing. If you take it out, you'll see on the inside of the box, pretty neat that they have like a quick start guide, if you will, kind of on the inside. Conserve some paper. You know, this thing's expensive, and this traveler's pouch is soft. As you can see, I was poking it. It's not a hard case. Very disappointing, because here in Canada, this thing is $500 before tax, and in the US is $400. So yeah, just something to keep in mind. So yeah, just going over the side buttons, you see that Microsoft logo, because again, I have the MS version, which doesn't really mean much, but again, everything's explained in the review video. And just kind of find it weird that they put some sticky tape on the side of the headset around the ear cups. It's not something you see too often. It's especially bizarre because this doesn't really protect anything, and it's in a pouch in a box. So I don't get it, but whatever. It's $500 headset, so sure, I guess they want to put a little more protection. They should have put it in a hard case instead. You know, that would have made more sense. And then leave the adhesive stickies, whatever. So there's the boom mic that does stretch out. My understanding is that you can use the boom mic while the mic is up. But again, details like that when I experiment will be in the review video. And there's some notches on the side, which you can see for charging the headset with the additional sold separately charging docking station. And I just turn on the headset, but that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just a headset unboxing, so that's the physical product itself. But let's see what else we have. We have a USB receiver. So this is a USB-A fitting. There is a USB-C fitting version as well. Unfortunately, there's no USB-C fitting available in our region. Maybe they're sold out due to the pandemic still ongoing. I'm not sure, but yeah. And there's a charging cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C fitting. But that's pretty much it. The other documentation is just safety and warranty information. The actual quick start guide was part of the box like I showed you earlier, so there's no documentation to show. So with that said, be sure to check out my social links in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.